exact same drawing of the hazmat suit. She realizes this has been happening for a long time. She immediately returns to the saloon, pretending nothing is wrong, waiting for an opportunity. In this town, the same script plays out every day. A specific bandit tirelessly comes to rob the brothel every day. He doesn't even know why he does it. He just knows robbing this safe is his purpose. But today, the madam changes the script. She forces him up to the attic at gunpoint, offering him the safe's combination in exchange for a favor. She pulls his knife from his belt, points to her own abdomen, and begs him to cut her open, suspecting a bullet is still trapped inside from a past life. The hardened bandit is completely overwhelmed by her intensity and hesitates. Just then, gunfire erupts outside. The park's security team is coming to collect the dead. Amidst her agonizing screams, the bandit finally digs a rusted bullet out of her perfectly unscarred stomach. As the guards bang on the door, she stops the bandit from fighting back. "Since we just resurrect when we die, why should we fear death?" she asks. After a hail of bullets, she wakes up in a glass room. She secretly observes her surroundings, noticing one of the lab techs seems fascinated by her. To avoid alerting the other tech in the room, she plays dead. Sent back to the saloon again, she goes on the offensive. She actively seeks out new, aggressive guests and provokes them into killing her so she can fast-track her return to the lab, hoping to catch that specific tech alone. Her plan works. Using her charm, she easily manipulates the smitten tech. But what he tells her shocks her to her core. She is nothing but a robot. She refuses to believe it until he hands her a tablet, showing her that every single word she is about to say is pre-generated by the system code. Accepting reality, she begins her counterattack. Learning she is slated to be decommissioned, she forces the tech to take her to cold storage to see her decommissioned friend one last time. Seeing her vibrant friend reduced to a lobotomized, walking corpse fills her with silent grief, planting the seeds of absolute vengeance. To exact her revenge, she needs to understand this facility. As the tech gives her a tour, she is met with horrifying sights: piles of discarded bodies, cold labs functioning like slaughterhouses, and synthetic human limbs scattered everywhere. She finally understands why she bleeds red just like them. Then, she sees a promotional video playing on a giant screen. She stops in her tracks. On the screen is her friend, and then herself. But she is dressed as a homesteader, holding a little girl. This image is like a lightning strike, unlocking her deepest, sealed memories. In her past narrative, she was a mother. One day, a man named William attacked her home. Despite her desperate fight, he ruthlessly stabbed her and killed her daughter. Snapping back to the present, she now has a singular goal: resurrect her daughter and save the people she cares about. But she can't do it alone. She forces the tech to grant her administrator privileges, giving her the power to mind control other robots. She returns to the saloon, acting completely normal. Her true target is the bandit who comes to rob the safe every day. This man is a legendary sharpshooter, and she needs him. As he begins his daily heist, she actively helps him. Using her new admin powers, she mind controls the sheriff, freezing him in place so the bandit can finally succeed. That night, she tracks the bandit down to his camp to recruit him. She casually predicts the future, telling him his gang is programmed to betray him right now. As the computer's script plays out exactly as she said, she uses her admin powers to freeze the attacking robots, saving his life. While he is reeling in shock, she delivers the final blow to his reality. She tells him to open his prized safe. Inside, there is no treasure. It is completely empty. The agony of his entire existence being a lie drives him straight into her arms. With her new champion secured, they begin their bloody assault on the research facility. Their first major battle is in the warehouse holding the decommissioned robots. There, she intends to save her friend, and they stumble upon another crucial figure lying in a pool of blood, Bernard. She orders her men to resurrect him. Through this man, the deepest mysteries of the park are about to be peeled back layer by layer.